But then, strange things started happening. At first, it was small. My keys weren't where I left them. The bathroom light was on when I was sure I had turned it off. I blamed my own absent-mindedness. Then one night, I woke up to a sound. A soft scratching noise coming from inside the walls. I sat up in bed, my heart pounding. Mice? Rats? The thought made my skin crawl, but I tried to convince myself it was nothing serious. Until the noises became more frequent. Sometimes I'd hear whispers. Faint, almost imperceptible murmurs